Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. So basically today we will be looking at the introduction of dashboard of WordPress. So this is the WordPress dashboard. All the required information like the statistics of your website and everything, you will see all those details over here. So if you want to add something over here, then just click on the screen option, then you can just select whatever you want to see on your dashboard over here. You can enable these options. Whatever you want to see, you can just enable it. Whatever you don't want to see, you can just remove that all those things. If you want, you can dismiss it. You can just click on this drop down and see the details. Okay, you can even position them the way you want. Okay, this is how you can change the position. So this was all about the dashboard. Next we have the home and update. These are just two options, and this is the post option. Whatever post that you write, you will find all those posts over here. If you want, you can edit a new post, which I'll be showing you guys in the future classes, but as of now this is just the introduction. And next option what we have is this media option. So whatever media your website is having, like the images, videos, whatever that is, you will find all that media option over here. You can just, if you want, you can even edit it. All the pages which are there on your website, all those pages will be beneath this tab. Okay, so basically a website has the home page, then about us page, contact us page, privacy page. So these are some of the pages, and all those pages you will find inside or under this tab. And all the comments that you get on your post, you will find all those comments over here. So this is the Elementor option. So basically this is a plugin which is installed by me, and because of which I'm getting this tab. I will show you guys what are these plugins and how to install them, and how to carry out the process. But as of now, you don't have to be worried about it. And this is the template option, where all the templates are stored. Over again, this is the useless tab. We won't be referring to this. And next we have is appearance. Appearance is basically how your website looks. Okay, so how to change the look of your website, how to customize your menu, and all the other options, you will find them over here. And next is a plugin section. So plugins are basically like small apps that we add on our website to give some additional functionalities to our website, or change the look, or do some task. All these things will be installed over here under this plugin section. And next is the user tab. So if your website is having if your website is like a school management system, or your website is selling products, or whatever that is, and if someone enters their details like the name, username, email ID, etc, password and all that data will be stored under this user tab. And next is these tools. So tools are basically as of now it is not required by us, but if in the future if we are in need of this tab, I will be introducing you guys to this tab. And the next is the setting tab. And over here you can change the setting of your website, like how your website should look, whether what name your website should be having, what logo you should give to your website. Okay, how the links of your website should look. All these things will come under the settings tab. I will teach you guys about all these things in the future, but as of now, this is all about the desktop or the dashboard of WordPress. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I will be explaining all these steps in the future classes in depth, in detail, but as of now this is the introduction. So thanks for watching.